Hello guys, in this video I will show you some of my plants, and guys I will upload a ant keeping video soon. Meanwhile, let's talk about plants. So let's begin the video. So guys, the first plant that I am showing you, you may think that this is a tulip, but it's not. It's actually garlic. Not many people know, but these plants have beautiful flowers. You can see. These flowers last for only a day. Moving on to my next plant, it is desert rose or adenium for short. They also have beautiful flowers, reddish pink color, and these flowers later develop into fuli or adenium pods, and these fuli contains some aerial seeds that you may see flying around. Let me show you. These type of seeds they contain. Their seeds look so beautiful. And then these seeds drop to ground and become some baby adeniums, and then these baby adeniums grow and become bigger and bigger and bigger, and then they've also formed seeds. Moving on to my next plant, it is ajwain, and it is a very medicinal plant and used in many products, and some also make tea with it. Reproducing this plant is also very simple. All you have to do is break a branch and place this branch in soil, and you will have a new ajwain plant. It is so damn simple. You don't have to buy another plant, just break the branch and put it in soil, and you will have a new plant. Like this one. And these are some just random plants that I've grown for no goddamn reason, but the plant that you are seeing is moong. It is a pulse crop, and I just grow it here for some research because I study morphology in flowering plants, so I grow all type of plants to cover all type of morphologies. And also, plants like moong also help to retain soil fertility as they have nitrogen fixing bacteria in their legumes. So, the next plant is a euphorbia. You may think that this is a cactus, but this is not a cactus. It is completely different plant. These plants are very common around my area. They grow in desert type regions. So guys, the next plant that I will show you is Indian rose, and their flower smell is as similar to as aromatic compounds. Their flower has so much aroma that you will just feel refreshed after smelling it. And this flower look absolutely gorgeous. So the next plant is Bougainvillea, and it is a decorative plant and its flower have so much shades and colors. And these are tulips, and they currently only have one flower. And this is some weird strange plant that I don't know what it is. And this is also Bougainvillea with different color. So guys, the next plant is aloe vera, and this is one of the most important plants that and it is very commercially valuable. It is used in variety of cosmetics and beauty products, and it is a very medicinal plant also. And in India, by using sweet aloe vera, we make achar or pickle. So guys, this is also aloe vera but of different species. It is not as important or usable as its relatives, but it is still aloe vera, and this is also a different type of aloe vera. This plant is one of the most interesting plants I have. It is Mimosa pudica or touch me not. It is called touch me not because when you touch its leaf, it just shrinks its leaves to protect itself. This is some kind of strange but very funny plant, and I can play with it whole day. And this plant has very beautiful pink color flowers, and these flowers later develop into seeds. So that's how you get more mimosa. So guys, this is a hibiscus plant. Their flowers are almost stunning. And now let's this is a white rose, this is also a white rose, this is a red rose, this is a red rose, this is a green rose, and some other red roses. I have lots of rose. And this is a water plant, which I don't know what plant it is, but it's look beautiful. So just comment if you know what plant it is. So guys, the next plant I will show you is also a euphorbia, and it is also called butterfly plant because its flower when you touch it you will it's like a butterfly wings. That's why it is called butterfly plant also. I have tons of these type of euphorbias. These flowers are so adorable and cute. This is a Bryophyllum plant and they reproduce by budding.
At the tip of its leaf, buds grow, which after maturation falls off and later develops into individual bryophyllum.
Guys, this is my favorite plant. It is a cactus and I don't know what species of cactus it is, so I named it global cactus because its shape is sphere like a globe. And like Bryophyllum, they also reproduce by buds. You can see right here. And these buds falls off so easily. You just have to apply a little pressure. And now you have got yourself very new independent global cactus. But this plant takes so much time to grow. It is a very slow growing plant. The global cactus that you are seeing, not this, this. It takes 10 years to grow in this size. It is a very slow growing plant. Next up, it is also a kind of global cactus, but it is a more fast growing cactus than this. Their buds also grow more quickly, and their buds have started forming new buds. These two plants are almost same, but they are little bit different. And like previous cactus, obviously this cactus also reproduce by budding. Just to take a bud and place it in the soil, and then you have got yourself a very new independent global cactus 2.0. And we can use these type of cactus for decorating our future and terrariums. And I just love their symmetry and design. Evolution is just so cool. Now, my this cactus is little different, but I just love this cactus also. This cactus grow vertically upward, and it is a more fast growing cactus than previous ones, obviously. And guys, when you take a close look at its shoot apex or toppermost region, you may see that there are some pharaoh ants hanging around. I know what they are eating or drinking, or they are finding something useful in this region. But if you know that what are they doing here, just comment it and let me know. Pharaoh ants are just cool ants. And guys, just take a quick look at this camouflaged cricket. And this is also a kind of water plant that I don't know what it is. And this is some weird strange plant. This is also a weird strange plant. This is also a weird strange plant. All of these plants are weird strange plants. And so guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you next week. And also guys, thank you for this.